Hello, my YouTube friends. I'm going to go out for another quick ride today. Start off at the house. See where we end up. It's real windy again today, so maybe we won't have a whole lot of wind noise. Hopefully though. Wind still gusted up around 30 miles an hour. This time of year, that's an everyday thing. Just off across the highway here. I helped build that house right there. Still trying different things on the microphone to try to keep the wind noise down. I haven't found a solution yet. Got the wind songs. Got external mic. I can help it. The wind is so bad that whenever it comes across my helmet, it makes so much noise. The microphone picks that noise up. And another wind stuck falling directly on it. I can get that figured out before I go on any long ride. Got a deep planned out. build a later piece of film wherever I go. Wind right now. It's probably a wind. You know, all of me driving, they just straight up down, you know. I have a little breeze blowing. Kind of cruise some of the little back streets here in this town. I ain't been through here for a while. Still many things have changed. The one of them changed over the last one. Last two videos I've done. I just had to leave them up the north or something like that. Whatever this data is. Try to get it right before I go to the ride through Water City. Old store right there, back in the 80s. They made some good homemade bologna sandwiches. Grew up in this neighborhood, we ride our bicycle down there, and if you had 55 cents, you could get you a bologna sandwich. This is the town I grew up in. Still live here. I put a lot of miles up and down this street on bicycles and sheep. This house we're coming up on, that was a house I bought back in the early 90s and lived there for 15 or so years. I put the bottle siding on it and put that stuff around the bottom there and planted the plants. This is the old elementary school I went through. Been there for 9 years, kindergarten through 8th grade. They just, whoever ended up with it, just let it rot away. That garage right there, I built that garage myself. It's a 28 by 30. That's the first garage I built by myself. People that's got it now has kind of let it go down just a little. schoolhouse burned so bad. It had a beautiful gym in it. I'm just putting around, easing around on the bike. Just not into the stall out or anything. This is goes down to that road the other day. I think it was the last video I made where we went through Wolf Creek. This is that road I was telling you that you used to be able to go through, and the owner, whoever owns it now, blocked it off. I think you can get all the way down to Wolf Creek, but they blocked it off on the other side. I think we'll see here in a minute. Guess we'll turn around right here. Right down there is the Wolf Creek I was telling you about. Yeah, it's blocked off. Now, see, there's a way through it, but it's got no trespassing signs. Some of the people that own this property just got game cameras up. So if you ride through there, they'll get you tagged up for a couple of weeks. You'll be getting busy. Be told not to go back through there anymore. Used to ride all back in through there. This is a little neighborhood I grew up in and spent my childhood in, running around these roads, playing out in those woods, going up and down that creek. I hate to sit all blocked off before you can't get to it anymore. It's a town that ain't changed much. And it done nothing for the better or for the worse either one. Just kind of stayed the same, a little bit more run down. Old church right there, it's real old. I think it was built back in the early 1900s, I believe. Maybe late 1800s. We'll arrive at a city park. There's a building rode up right there. They used to sell ice cream out of there back in the 80s. It's called Chester's Hut. Local swimming hole down here, and we got some of the coldest water I've ever swum in. And I used to do a lot of fishing. I could come down here and could walk down through that little area there, flip over rocks, and get it all the crayfish you wanted. I imagine you still can. Some of that equipment there, I played open up and you get slide merry-go around those little spring things. It was all still there back in the 80s. They got a frisbee golf course in here that brings in a lot of younger people nowadays. They just added that over the last few years. Little creek down this other road. We'll ride down there and creek and still get down to it. Used to be able to ease off the side of the road and go up under the bridge. Oh man, they graded all that out and put that rock. I didn't know you can't get down in there anymore. That's a nice little creek to ride. I used to ride it. You could get in up there at the city park where we was at full of go. Ride the creek all the way down. There's a trail right there that it's all growed up now, but you can still see a little bit of it left. You can ride it, but it's tough riding it over the bike because it's all overgrown now. But you can make it through the creek. It's just slow going. I done it a few years ago on my old dirt bike. Imagine this would make it too. There's just a lot of big rocks. Some solid rock places are pretty slick. Oh, in this area, there used to be a lot of guys that would come out here and metal detect back in the 80s and 90s. They always claimed they found a lot of muskets, Civil War muskets. Kind of over that hill in that field, down Pokemon Wood, there's an area where they found a lot of stuff like that. Wind always does get up rough and just pay off and off. Instead of go back in that rough headwind again. Takes the turn up here and it will go away. It's just the best I can do right now. Trying to bones if you can get it. Really good at catching that. Now whenever I go back and watch it myself, old Lenny always does because I'm always need. Cruising by the old airport out here. Oh yeah. Goes over Orange City, you know. Orange City Stanley, he owns just the wire field out here. He's got his own personal plane. He keeps out here. Like years ago, he used to go out here and watch him. You know, take off. He take you up for a flight, you want to go. I don't know if he still does it or not. I mean, the airfield is still there. No people come out and fly the RC planes out through here during the summer and all. I ain't seen an airplane man down here in years and years. Heavy planes seem to up there. I just ain't knowing that one of them, they offered they to come in here and mow around and weed eat so far in, but I didn't hear nothing going up in that plane. It was kind of rough to me. I got that house looking good. I love that wraparound porch. That was my property. I won't need to go for nothing like it nowadays. Guess I probably put it over and get the rest of my life or in a factory. And after 32 years, that was enough of that mess for me. Like in the old homestead here. Take a little stroll through the woods. I love the instant crawl response of this mic. Little jump. I'll be glad to be able to get this track all the way around my property. Well, friends, I guess we're going to call that a ride. We'll see you on the next one.